Okay, we are done with the About User page, and but now I'd like to show you the original video on what I went through to get this page to work. I actually had several errors in my code that I needed to fix before everything worked. So I'm going to bring us back to about the point when I was typing in this message statement. Okay, and what I want to do now is fix this. Thank you plus name plus quote. Thank you for your responses. I'm going to just do it this way lazily. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to scroll over here and put this here, and I'm going to replace this with interest. And then I'm going to scroll over here and replace this, paste this, replace this with experience. Okay. Alright. And let's see, that should do it. So I'm going to I'm going to save this and go back to my FileZilla, and I'm going to go to my directory here and copy this over here again. And this message appears. And yes, I'm going to overwrite. And when it's done, I can look at my website. And let's look here and refresh this. And we see this. Let's go home. We see this. Go here. Let's enter my name. And it doesn't work. So let's look at the JavaScript console here. That would be here. Develop with JavaScript console. And we see this. Unexpected totally legal on line 21. So let's go back to our source file, line 21. This is not right. Go to that. And there was another error. Get name is not defined. 63. Let's see. I know the problem. 63. Get name. Not defined. What do I call it? The reason it said it wasn't defined is because of the previous. Let me see. Let's see. Let me just try this again. I'm going to save this and go back to FileZilla and go back to the here and copy this over again. And okay. And then go back to here and refresh this. And let's try this again. Enter my name. Now it seems to work. My name is Richard Halverson. And my level of expertise is novice. And I'm interested in growing looks. And let me close this. You can see that the display did not appear. So let's look at the source code again. And we see that, it's never called. So we have to actually call this function. At the end of this, we will call the function. And at the end of this, we will call the function And at the end of this, we will call a function. Okay. Okay, let's see if this works. Save. FileZilla. And copy this over. Okay. And return our website. Hit refresh. And now let's try Richard Alberson. Level of expertise is novice. Still not working. Let me see why. The reason is because I never write the message back out again. I have to write the message. So to write the message, I say document get element by ID, parentheses message, in parentheses inner HTML equals message. And this is the name of this span. So now let's save this. And let's do it one more time. Copy this over. Okay. And now let's look at our file, look at our page, refresh. My name is Richard Alberson. And when you've completed this form, the website will provide information on all landscaping subjects. So my level of expertise is novice. And I'm interested in growing tulips. And it still does not work. So to help us solve this problem, let's look at the JavaScript console again. And we see there's a message here, experience is not defined. That's on line 41. So let's see what that's all about. Here's line 41, and if we scroll across, we see we are using the word experience instead of expertise. So this is wrong. Expertise. And now if we save this one more time, copy this over, and say OK. And then back to the website. And let's close this. And we say name, Richard, and my level of expertise is novice, and my interest is growing tulips. And now we see, thank you, Richard, for your responses. This website will provide information on all landscaping subjects, including growing tulips, as well as all levels, including novice. And we could probably clean this up by taking the spaces out of here, but other than that, I think this is just fine.